Hey everyone! In this workout, we're going to continue developing a strumming hand that you can just set and forget. And the key to mindless strumming is to never stop moving your hand. So to help you build the muscles and reflexes you need for consistent strumming, level 3 is all about accented strum patterns. If you're new to this channel, then hello, my name is Taylor. I've been teaching guitar for over a decade and currently have about 55 students that I teach weekly. Over the years, I've taught a lot of people who started on YouTube, and while they knew a lot of things, they all had trouble playing mindlessly. And that's because the muscles and reflexes you need for playing mindlessly are built from trying to keep up with something else, like a metronome or a drum track or a song. However, that can be challenging for beginners, but I notice that my students instantly do better once I start playing along with them. Probably because they can see me out of their peripheral vision and it helps them stay locked in. So I started this channel to give beginning guitarists on YouTube a series of exercises that they can master to help them build the muscles and reflexes they need to learn songs quickly, but also not think about them once they've learned it. It's like a home yoga or a home workout channel. You just play along to a few videos every day, try to master them, and if you do, then you will definitely have the skills you need to play guitar. When I'm starting lessons with somebody who's self-taught from YouTube, usually the very first thing we have to work on is changing the way they think about strumming. Like for example, this strum pattern, old reliable. Usually I see that played like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And that's because beginner guitar players usually feel uncomfortable with up strums, doing multiple up strums in a row or accenting with up strums. So they avoid the two ups in a row by going down, down, up. So there are two reasons why this windshield wiper movement is important for strumming. One, while the combination of downs and ups looks more random and complicated on paper, it's a much simpler movement in your arm to just be going down, up, down, up, down, up. When you do it the other way, there's this moment at the very end where you have to do two quick down strums, which means that the up strum in between those two quick down strums is a complete waste of time and energy. And that's going to start to sound very noticeable as you start to go faster. The second reason has to do with timing. When we're doing the windshield wiper arm, what we're really doing is setting the down strums to the strong beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the up strums are locked in with the ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So as long as our movement can line up with the beat of the song and you can stay steady, then our timing is going to be perfect. In the self-taught version of this strum pattern, at the very end when you have to reset, you're basically having to speed up and then slow down your hand, which means you're making a guess about the timing rather than having it just being built into this simple down-up motion. And it's going to be much harder to make that sound precise and clean at higher speeds. All right, so let's talk about the exercise. In this workout, we're doing the strum pattern down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The first accent is on beat 2, and then the second accent is on the and of 3, so the third up. We're going to do 2 rounds of going from 60 to 120 beats per minute. In the first round, we're going to mute the strings with our left hand so that we can focus on our right hand. And we're just going to play the strum pattern 4 times in a row. Here's what that sounds like at 90 beats per minute. We got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and down, up, down, up. Then in round 2, we'll go back down to 60 beats per minute and alternate between C and A minor. So it sounds like this. End on C. I like alternating between these two chords because you only need to move your third finger and, it's not too boring. It kind of sounds like there's some movement even though it's a really nice chord change. All right, let's try it out. If you don't have a guitar, then go grab one, see if you can keep up. We're starting at 60 beats per minute, doing the muted strings first. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 2 and 3 and 4 and down, Here's 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. Here's 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. All right, here's 110. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. All right, here's 120. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. All right, now we're going back down to 60 beats per minute, but we're going to alternate between C and A minor, ending on C. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up. Here's 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here's 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up. Here's 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here's 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 4. Down, up. Here's 110. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up. Last one. Here's 120. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up. And there it is. You're all done. That's it. That's easy enough. All right, now go back to level 2, check out some of the chord cycle or power chord cycle exercises, and see if you can apply this strum pattern to those things that you've already got muscle memorized. If you have any questions or suggestions for the channel, feel free to leave them in the comments, or be on the lookout for some of the question and answer live streams I've been doing. Sometimes I'll try and learn a song left-handed so you can see the process I would take if I were a beginner guitar player. And along the way, you can ask some questions and we can talk about some things. I'll make sure to announce those well before I do them, so be on the lookout. And if you want to support the channel, but don't want to do it in a way that really requires much effort, then, just click a like button or click some other buttons. Click this button or this button. It really doesn't have to be that hard. And this channel's young and fresh enough that really any of that will be very powerful. And if you're already doing that, then you're amazing. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.